In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust and view your employees' personal and contact information. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then make sure you have either the enterprise or the location at which that employee works selected, and click on Employees. Once you arrive at your list of employees, choose the employee you would like to view personal and contact information for. TeamWork 5 will then take you to that employee's personal information, and I can make any changes here that I need to. I can change the employee's first name, their last name, give them a nickname, or change their username. If you have an employee who's forgotten their password, you can change their password by clicking Change here. Then you can enter in the new password twice and choose Save. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm going to click Close. You can also provide a seniority date by clicking on the calendar icon, or a start date. I'll go ahead and give them a start date. Let's say they started a month ago. If I needed to terminate the employee, I could do that by clicking this termination button here. I could also give this employee a birth date. This is a restaurant, so they do need to be over 21 in order to serve. I'll go ahead and click this date, then choose their birth date, and now that information has been entered in. I can also change their work status by clicking on this arrow. Let's say they're part-time. And I could mark if they are an international student or not. Then I could give them an external ID, a badge ID, or a bio ID. I could also give them a PIN number and enter in any notes that I would like. If everything looks good and you like your changes, click Save. Notice a small green save bar has appeared next to the Save button, letting you know when this page was last saved. If I want to enter in this employee's contact information, I can go to the top of their chart and click on Contact. Now I can add an email, let's say oak@email.com. I could give them a phone number. I could give them another phone number if I wanted, or a fax, or a mobile. I'm going to skip that and go right to the address box. Let's say they live at 5151 Street. If I needed to enter an apartment number or something, I could do that in address too. I'm going to go straight to city and say Denver. Then I will give them the state and the postal code. And finally, the country. If I like these changes, again, I can hit this blue Save button. And now that information has been saved, and the green save bar has changed to let me know when this page was last saved. If you want, you can have your employee fill out this information through the employee portal, or you can do it yourself. To go back to the personal page, you can click the personal button above the chart, or you can go up to your top menu bar, click on Settings, and choose Personal. And now you're back at their personal information page. That's how you can adjust and view an employee's personal and contact information. Check out the next video to learn how to adjust and view their schedule, time, and attributes information.